Now to the CEO of Vaccine Network for Disease Control, Chika Offor, for more on this development. Thank you for joining us on TVC News at 10. How much of a medical breakthrough is a vaccine for malaria, seeing the hundreds of thousands of people that this disease has killed on the continent?
Yes, it's a great relief because many of our children die from vaccine-related diseases, and malaria is one of them. And then in the tropics where we are, malaria is one of our killers. And then to the extent that malaria drugs have been abused, anything you have, give you malaria medicine. So it's a significant breakthrough. It is very significant. It will reduce the mortality rate by a very large number. So kudos to the researchers who have gone this far to be able to get such a vaccine. But let us not also forget that the vaccine does not work alone. You still have to have other preventive measures in conjunction with the vaccine, such as you still have to have your mosquito-protected nets, so that you have 100% coverage, because at the end of it all, the vaccine is a breakthrough.
Well, if you're still there, I'm just concerned about the safety of this vaccine and how much trust Nigerians should have in it. The INEC,
I can't hear you.
Rather, NAFDAC, as we speak now, has granted provisional approval. How much confidence should Nigerians have in this vaccine?
Okay, yes. Let's not forget that Nigeria participated in the initial, in the clinical trials before it was approved. That's one. Secondly, Nigeria is not the first country that is going to use the vaccine when we eventually get the vaccine. It has been tested in 3 countries, Kenya, Malawi, and then also in Ghana now. We've not heard anything negative so far. So I'm optimistic. But while I'm optimistic, I also know that a lot of work, even as we speak, is still going into making sure that everything, the efficacy, the effectiveness, and then how to reduce the risks of different, maybe AEFI, that is adverse events following the vaccinations. All hands are on deck to make sure that this vaccine, does what it's supposed to do, which is reduce the prevalence of deaths caused by malaria, which is the most important thing. But from NAFDAC, we've also already heard that the advantages far outweigh the risks, which is key. Imagine having this kind of malaria vaccine as part of the routine immunization program. Fantastic. What it means eventually is that as a routine, you can have children who are taking their vaccine from 0 to maybe 24 months. Nigeria now, we have 0 to 1 year, but at least this vaccine has 4 doses. That is the 5th month, the 6th month, the 7th month, and the 20th month. So it's like 0 to 24 months program where it will be in the middle. Then so that as they get these vaccines, preventive measures, it's a good thing. Or don't you think so? It's a fantastic thing. And then I can assure you that more work is being done as we speak to make sure that the efficacy, the efficiency, and less adverse events does not occur.
Well, we look forward to the potential relief the R21 vaccine will bring to the malaria burden on the continent. Chika Offor, I'm afraid that's our time. CEO of Vaccine Network for Disease Control. Thank you so much for talking to us on the news tonight.